In today's video, I'll show you how to change the boot logo in Windows 10 and 11 step by step. If you're tired of seeing the default Windows logo and want something more personalized, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, click on Start and then search System Configuration. Click to open. Here, move down and check or your BIOS mode is in UEFI mode. For the legacy, this method won't work for you, so never try it. Next, you have to be with your logo that you would like to use for this. Now, let's create our customization. Click on Start and then search Paint. Click to open and make sure it's latest version. First, click on Resize button. Check this pixels option. Click to disable this option. Now, if your screen resolution is Full HD, then set this 1920 to 1080. This depends on your screen resolution, so check before. Now, click on OK. Let me zoom in. Next, click on this Paint option. Select the color that you would like to use. Move down and select this plain page to add the selected color that we picked. Now, let me add the logo. Click on File. Move down and then choose Import to Canvas. Select from a file. Choose your logo that you would like to use. Click on Resize again. Choose Pixels. Here type in 400. Click OK. Now move the logo to the center. Click here to remove this white color. Click on File. Select Save As. Choose BMP picture format. Rename this as Splash and then click on OK. Here is our logo. Now let me show you the next step. Open your web browser. Here type to search HackBGRT. The HackBGRT tool, a free and open source utility to change the boot logo. Click to open this first link. I'll provide the download links in the description, so be sure to check them out. Click to download this latest version. Note: please make sure to disable Secure Boot in your BIOS settings. Next, let's install HackBGRT. Extract the downloaded HackBGRT zip file. Right-click and the copy. Open local disk C and then paste it here. Now copy the logo that we created and then replace it into this folder. Right-click setup.exe and run as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions. When CMD open, press I to install the logo. Done! Now click on Start to restart your machine. Once done, you should see your new boot logo. If your PC fails to boot, please make sure to disable Secure Boot in your BIOS settings. Always keep a backup of your system before making changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Windows boot logo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.